Bismillah, just now I feeded our chicken chicks. This, today is the day 32 of real making of our chicken coop for our chickens. Presently, I am opening the coop of our pigeon coop. I welcome you to the all new latest video of SABZ ADAD farmland, and those who are new to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see this type of content of real making. Today, as I said, we are going to the cleanup of the coop of pigeon coop. Presently, this sweeper is not in good condition, so we have to clean it. And those who are raising the chickens and pigeons, you can comment me the best ways of cleanup of the coops in the comments. One thing is clear, that when I am going to clean up this coop, it's going to be smell very hard and very bad. But we have to clean up, because if we do not clean it, the pigeons' health will be go down severely. And today we also have one bad news, that is yesterday which pigeon baby I showed on the day 31, it has gone. I mean, it has dead. It was severely injured, and we could not be get the medicine on the time. So first, grip the sweeper properly. Then let us start the cleanup of the pigeon coop. But I couldn't be able to talk with my grandfather till now. But it's okay. First, as I said, we are going to clean and identify how many breeds we have, and how many pigeons we have, and how many females we have, how many males we have, and how many pairs we have. We can understand it, know it, and then we can estimate the price of this coop. I think it's going to be okay now. And when we feeded our chickens the left feed, now they are eating it. See our pigeons. Where to start? See what my grandfather kept in it. Let us have a look. in it. First one is players, one is the nylon thread and some nails. See, that's it in this. Let us keep it outside properly. First, we can start from the shelves. It is very tough because it has become harder and it falls on the direct on your face, and if you breathe in it's become poisonous to our body. That's why sometimes my grandfather also become ill to this and get hospitalized and started to take medicines. But if we clean daily, it not become much severe. If we avoid cleaning of the scoop, I think it's going to become more serious. See how much cleanup with this scoop is needed. I think we have to need something more to clean this because this sweeper is not working properly. Let's try some more time and clean it properly. Let's some tool to clean it because by this sweeper it's getting more tough. I seen something here. Wait a second. Yes, I found something and we can scratch like this. Let's see. By this we can clean it properly or not. Yes, it's cleaning properly. But by this it's getting worst. Now it's getting easier. If we clean it daily, it's going to be not much harder. But if we do not clean it, it's become harder. Let's see how long it takes. See, like this, they become the cakes. See how many insects it's carry, and it harms the pigeon health and drops its quality. From now, I will try to make our pigeons much healthier and qualityful. Something fallen in my helmet. See, one thing I can say is my grandfather designed this coop very well. More space and iron sheets on the top, but the cleaning section is not good. First, I am going to scratch all the racks, then started to clean it small brush with a small brush. If someone watching who raise the chickens or pigeons, if you had any this type of cleaning experience, you can comment me with your lovely comment in the comment section. So it means it's going to take so much time. So I will meet you in the completion of this scratching. I found one loop coil in it. Means that see really it was placed here and pasted with the gum. So I did, and when I scratching it like this, they were stopping it to throw it away. So then I what? Then I did like this and removed like this. Then I kept here this. Now I can clean it properly and throw the waste out like this. Now tell me, did you like this idea of removal of the front protectors of the eggs? I am going to paste it again after the cleanup and keep them properly in some place. So this was the thing. Presently I have progress up to here. I am here how out for bringing this tool because I am going to start the upper side, but height is very low. Here are some wooden planks. We have to first remove it. I can't stand up on the stool. We have to keep it outside. Now see, upside is terrible because it has the mountain of it. See how badly my grandfather was maintaining this coop. But if we are going to take it or acquire it, we have to keep it 100% hygienic and clean. And as I said, I removed the protectors of the eggs, and here they are. But it's the just beginning. It's going to be taking more time for the cleanup, complete cleanup. The scratching of the waste of the pigeons in our coop has come to till now this rack. Today on the day 32 of real making, we completed till here. On the day 33 or day 34, we are going to start from this corner and this block. If you liked this video, you can like this video, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to the SABZ ADAD. See you on the day 33 of real making.